Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain 19th question for you from exercise 5.2 page number 107 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7000? So Subbarao's initial salary, annual salary is rupees 5000. So it started with rupees 5000. And with each year it was getting incremented by 200, so it becomes, in the second year it becomes 5200 rupees, 5200. In the third year it becomes 5200 plus 200 rupees, 5400. And in the fourth year it becomes rupees 5000, 4000 plus 400 plus 200 is 600 rupees, 5600, and it goes on. So this is an arithmetic progression, right? Because it's getting incremented by a constant amount of rupees 200 every year. So he is asking in which year would his income become 7000. So somewhere down the lane his income will touch rupees 7000. So we have to find out in which year his income becomes 7000. Because we do not know which year, let's assume in the nth year his income becomes 7000. So nth year his income reaches rupees 7000. Then AN becomes 7000. Now I know the formula of AN, right? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of A here? A is equal to rupees 5000, that is the initial salary. And D, common difference, is equal to the increment each year, that is rupees 200. Now let's substitute the values of A and D in this equation and solve for N. So AN is 7000. A plus 5000 plus N minus 1 into 200 is equal to, what is AN value? 7000. So N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7000 minus 5000, that is equal to 2000. So N minus 1 is equal to 2000 divided by 200, that is equal to 10. That implies N is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So Subbarao's income will become rupees 7000 in the 11th year. Hope you got it. I'll explain the question once again. Subbarao has started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5000. So his salary in the year 1995 was rupees 5000, and every year it got incremented by rupees 200. So in which year would his income become rupees 7000? That is the answer we have to find out. So rupees 5000, this is an arithmetic progression. So A value becomes rupees 5000 and the common difference D becomes rupees 200, which is the increment every year. So we'll assume AN to be 7000 and we'll find out the value of N. We know the formula of AN, right? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7000. We know the values of A and D. I have substituted the values of A and D in this equation and solved for N. So I got the value of N as 11. So in the 11th year, Subbarao's income will become 7000. Hope this is clear for you. Please refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please do subscribe and share the videos, and until then, see you.